Dave here. I'm doing my second bit of Thai cooking. Now this is Pat Padunku tea. That lady. No. You tell me what it is.
ผัดผักบุ้งไฟแดงค่ะ
Fried anchor.
แต่อาจจะไม่มีกระเทียม
Okay.
เพราะว่า
So
เรา
it's vegetables with sauce, few chilies and
อิน
chicken.
เดียฮอดเทค
Okay.
ออย
So we put.
yes return
Okay. So we put a little oil.
the chicken first ขอบคุณครับ
In goes the chicken. And you give that time to get a bit of colour. So how long do we give chicken? About a minute?
up to you you take chicken burn finish and you take the ผักบุ้ง for later
Okay. Okay, so the chicken's starting to get a bit of colour.
okay take care for us
Okay, so now in goes the vegetables. So vegetables, chilli, few carrots, some sauce, and then it goes. Okay, so that's the vegetables in. Do we need to add water?
little
A little water.
okay
Okay, so let me grab the water. And we'll add a bit more.
either our look later because here different
Okay.
pan and เตาแก๊สแตกต่างกันนะคะอาจจะไม่มีไฟลุกเพราะว่าชื่อผักบุ้งไฟแดงต้องขอโทษด้วยนะคะ our look later no problem
Okay, so that's starting to cook. So we'll get the lid on and give this 10 minutes
okay
and see how it goes. So
uh,
this is my second meal.
our look later
We'll have a look
yes
in 5 minutes.
okay
Right, so first meal for me to try. I've cooked under Amanda's instruction. Added a bit of rice to it now. So this is my lunch. And there we got enough for another meal. A big one. So yeah, give it a try. See what we think. Okay, so Well, the cheese has got a slight strange texture to it. What else? So there it is. Yeah. A little bit of the chilli coming through now. So that'll be it from this video. I'm going to finish off, so bon appetit, and I'll probably do another cooking video. Right, it's time to have a look at the pat padu.
ผัดผักบุ้งไฟแดงค่ะผัดผักบุ้งไฟแดงอาจจะไม่ใช่
That's what I'm trying to say.
โอเค
So let's have a look.
โอเค
There it is, all looking good.
yes
Are the beans cooked enough?
I think finish
You think finished?
yeah consider
What do you know about Thai food? I cook. Okay, so we turn off the cooker, and that'll be Amanda's dinner.
yes
Plenty of chilli in this
thank you ขอบคุณครับ
one. No problem. Okay, so this is the second one. I'm just trying it to see if it's any good. So it's vegetable with chili and chicken.
When 141 Squadron started operations, German High Command issued warnings, ordering night fighters to limit radar use. But with bombers
And that
in the sky, they had no choice. Without radar, they were blind. Burbridge closed to 1,000 feet.
is very good.
Steady course, flying west. Still searching, still unaware. He armed the
So that'll be it for this video. My
My
second
Each gun,
Thai cooking.
175
Amanda's got a massive bowl of this. This is a little bit more spicy than the first one I did,
long bursts, wasted
but it still tastes good. So Amanda's got hers here now,
that was the doctor.
just arrived.
At 800 feet, the Junkers
So she's going to get stuck into that,
skeleton adjusted heading.
and she can have the rest of mine because it's too hot for me,
The German
but still nice.
following direction.
So Amanda has decided she wants to force me to eat papaya salad, and it does smell a bit odd. But you got to try these things, haven't you?
มากินตำบักฮุงเด้อจ้าตำเองแซ่บเองใส่สุยางเลยใส่กุ้งใส่สุแนวเลยมากินตำบักฮุงเด้อจ้าแซ่บอีหลีแซ่บหลายเฮ็ดเองแซ่บเองเผ็ดหลาย Welcome for the watching ฝรั่ง eat papaya salad มาเมืองฝรั่งกินตำบักฮุงเด้อเฮ็ดเองแซ่บหลายแซ่บอีหลี